Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just did my eyebrows and I did something different this time, and if you all want a video on that, let me know because I'm looking at them like so this video is dedicated to Beyonce. I got my yellow one, okay, you know, and I'm basically gonna do a look, you know, and this would be something that I would wear to a festival. This would be, you know, something that I wear at Coachella. Again, I wish I was there, and I love you, Beyonce, okay? I love you, okay? So I'm going to start on my eyes. I am going to use my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. So now I'm going to set this primer with my Bye Bye Pores because, again, due to the creasing, I don't want that. And if it's hot out, you know, let's say it's hot out, you are gonna crease, you know, and nobody has time for that. You know, we gotta stay flawless for Bae, okay? We gotta stay flawless for her. I found my tape, and I am going to start with my eyeshadow. And with the tape, you kind of just want to go like this so you can get some of the sticky off. Again, you don't want to have wrinkles when you get like older. So I am going to use the MORPE palette for this look. And I'm going to do like a yellowy pinkish kind of thing. So this is going to be my base color right here. This yellow is a little bit more, let's say, sparkly, and yeah, it's more sparkly, and I want that as my lower lid color. So that's on. What I do want to do is I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to spray it with my setting spray, and I'm going to go back in with that yellow so that it's a little bit more defined, more pigmented. And now I'm gonna go back in with the pink to just clean this up here. So because we want to have fun and we want like a really cute look, I'm going to take my NYX glitter liner. This is the silver liner, and I'm going to put this in the crease of my eye. So next I am going to take my Tarteist eyeliner. It's double-sided, but I'm going to take the liquid line side and I'm just going to and I always like to line my eyes because it makes them look bigger, you know. So I think I'm gonna do a wing to look a little bit more exotic. Next, I'm going to add my lashes. Next, I'm going to go with my Backlight Primer Filter. It's by BECCA. And I like this primer because it has a little shimmer in it. So it'll make the skin glow without putting too much on. Now that I have my primer on, it's too hot out for me to be wearing a full face of makeup. You know, I want to look like I have a full face of makeup on, but I just can't do all that extra stuff right now, you know, because it's too hot outside. So I'm going to use the Naked Skin. It is called the One and Done. So this is their lightweight version of their foundation. It is literally, to me, would be more of a tinted moisturizer. So I wanted to try this one. It's a hybrid, it's a complexion perfector as well, so it works as two, and it has SPF 20 in it. So you're in the sun all day, you better have your SPF on. And this right here, this little baby right here will help you, okay? So I am going to use my number 66 brush because it is full coverage brush, and because I am using a lightweight foundation, I want to make sure that I have full coverage. So I possibly would have went a little darker, but because I'm gonna bronze up, I think this color would actually be fine if I was just going, you know, alt. So next I'm going to use my Pro Concealer. And I'll tell you right now, I love this concealer. Sponge, yes, it's damp. I feel like I'm really going to Coachella right now. Like, look. Set. So I know y'all like look a little yellow, but I ain't done yet. Let it oxidize, okay? And now I'm going to use my flower powder by Bakerie. Tell them I sent you in the comments, okay? That's it. So now that's setting, I'm going to line my eyes with my Marc Jacobs eyeliner. I found it. I literally could not find my eyeliner for like 3 weeks. I be hiding stuff from myself, and I'm telling you, this is the best eyeliner I've ever used. Alright, so I'm gonna get this Sephora going. This is the MircoSmooth powder by Sephora, and this is just to give me my color back. next I am going to contour with my Bobbi Brown Deep 4. So now I'm going to take my Real Technique brush. This is the medium shadow brush, and I'm just going to contour my nose. Nothing crazy. Concealer, so you know, I want to bring my definition back. The lines in my face a little bit better. I ain't trying to hide all of them now. Just to finish it off, you know, I have to with my La Peach. My auntie Jackie, she don't like that. She be like, I don't like when y'all put stuff. Listen, I like the glow. You know, I like the glow. And I'm gonna take a little bit of that, a little bit of that, and I'm gonna put it right above my eyebrow. Yes, like that. Yes, like that. So the final step to this is my hair, and I'm going to use this hair gel primer. I got it around Halloween, and what I'm gonna do is put it on my fingertips, and I'm just gonna spill out some glitter, loose glitter. So this is loose glitter. I'm gonna spill that out, spread that out, and I'm gonna put that on my fingertips. I'm gonna make it rain. I'm gonna make it rain in my fro. Ah! Oh yes, baby. Yes. Coachella, who are you? I don't know. I don't even know who I am anymore. Okay everyone, so thank you for watching my Coachella look that is dedicated to Beyoncé, but I wanted to do this look, you know, because I was in the spirits of Coachella. After watching her performance last night, I was like, I gotta do a look, you know, I gotta make it pop out. But if you like this look, give me a thumbs up. If you like this look, comment below. If you like this look, post me, repost me, even just tag me in my picture or right underneath my picture like, hey, I seen your video. Just like the support enough for even subscribing to my channel, so don't forget to subscribe. But subscribing to my channel is really, really big to me, and it's more than I can say, you know, okay? Like, I am really happy about my subscribers right now, and I'm happy about the support that I'm getting. And I don't even like to call them subscribers, I like to say supporters, but you know, the subscribe button be confused. But press the button. Again, I'm sorry, I just don't want to go. I don't want to go. Like, I want to go party right now or something, but I can't. But I just want to say thank you for watching, and I will be back with another video. Bye. I feel like a whole Coachella. That's how I feel, a whole Coachella. Okay, so you see how that's giving my color back, hairline match, okay? Little glow to the face. That's nasty. I like to do this to let my lips dry. Who is you? Who is you?